Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can be skinny in Roblox. So first up, we want to click on the three lines in the left corner right here, and we want to go to our avatar. So from here, as you can see, I'm a skinny legend, so I'm going to show you how you can do this as well. What we need to do is hover over head and body, and here we want to select scale. Now if yours is set to R6, I'm going to change it like this. You want to change it to R15. It's going to prompt you with a warning. Simply click on it, and these are the settings that I use to be extremely skinny and tall. So as you can see, height 105% and everything else is pushed to the end. And did you guys know that if you're actually skinny, you appear taller as well? That is a fact, real life fact as well. So this is how you become skinny in Roblox. I hope this was helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.